I never say I use Messenger or Facebook chat, no. I talk with Tatay Arnold and Ate Isa, that best pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo. He's the guy who stole the bicycle in Las Piñas. And he's the one who pushed that kid in SM Grand Central. Usually, folks, my reaction of best pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, was a wanted. For me, best pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo. I'm not picking a fight in social media. Whether you call me abnormal, when you call me to shoot me a shotgun, I'm telling all the truth This best pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, is very notorious. He's a fanatic of tahanang pinakamasaya, even halos hos. However, I do not want to fight with best pill. You know, best pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, that you're making a nonsense or fake news while you're still in United States. Um, um, you're not in United States. You're here in the Philippines. That picture, that Cathay Pacific Airlines was not a real life. It's a fake news. You borrow it from the Google image, best pill. You know, best pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, you don't have passport, you don't have US visa. However, you're just making a fake news. Me, when you make a fake news, however, you are abnormal, best pill. Arnel Guerrero Castillo. Look at Mang Rodelio Daguman, best pill. He's not making fake news, Mang Rodelio Daguman was quiet. He's not posting about against Michelle D. Mang Rodelio Daguman apologized to Michelle D. He apologized. Even he apologized to anyone, but he was scolded by his brother. He's the one who got scolded. You know, best pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo. You're watching this in my video, in my blog. Do not make a fake news. And first, you have to apologize to Vico Soto. Vico Soto is a mayor of Pasig City. You have to apologize. See? I told to my parents that Best Pill is a cell phone thief. He's the guy who stole the cell phone in Marikina. And this is why Sir Calvin Cuevas asked me, where's my old cell phone? Best Pill stole it. He's the guy, he stole a cell phone, he stole the cell phone. However, Best Pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, is the guy who stole the cell phone in Marikina. Because I was telling a truth Because why Best Pill Arnel Guerrero Castillo was wanted by NBI and PNP? Because I posted in my day in TikTok, not in Facebook, not in Instagram, no. In TikTok only. I share it to Terra Francisco, Kuya Jojo, Ate Ellen. Even I share it to Dan Mardayaw. This Best Pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, is wanted. You know, Best Pill, you should never insult the TVJ fan. Even Sam Eranjo is watching TVJ. Oh, Best Pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo. Don't call me abnormal. You have to apologize for your mistake, for your an insult. However, why you call me abnormal? If I'm not abnormal, Best Pill. I try to message you in the Facebook chat. I telling you, you're a wanted of NBI and PNP. Oh, don't make a fake news. Don't blame me. Do not blame the TBJ fan. I know what is your ambition was. You are fake news. You're the one who trying to harass Shania Kiana, Aisa Imbancula, even the new teachers there in CDIFI, Teacher Lovelyn, Bilasor, Teacher Rina, Nebres. Them, they already ignore you. Oh, me, I already ignore you, Best Pill. Arnel Guerrero Castillo, even you, Gina Sejo. Both of you. You know, Best Pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, if you're making in my YouTube blog, people are going to mad at you. Oh, Patrick Quezon was already mad at you. Oh, Stefan Pimentel, or Lawrence Villawan, or my other friends in CDIFI or in ASP members. Oh, they're angry at you. You know, Best Pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, don't call abnormal. You're the one who stole a cell phone in Marikina. Do not deny, do not blame. That is your consequence. Me, when I made a mistake to David Gill's parents, what I did to Gerard Gill, I apologize to Tito Joel, when I call him GAGO, that is my consequence. I apologize to David Gill and his family members and relatives. I apologize to Santa Maria de la Estrada, even to Ma'am Stella. I apologize last year and recently. But perhaps, Best Pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, you have to apologize to Vico Soto. You print all the apology letter, Best Pill, and send it to Mayor Vico Soto and also his father, Vic Soto. Vico Soto is a loyalty of TVJ. He's not a fan of Tape Incorporated, even Halos Hos, even Tahanang Pinakamasaya or G and Jet Li, that is the fake version of One for All for One, and even the shows of Tape Incorporated and Tahanang Pinakamasaya. However, Best Pill, you have to apologize to Vico Soto. That is your fault. That's your consequence. And you, Gino Sejo, you have to apologize to me and Luis Cabales and Miguel Bonono, even Paul Renciang, even my former friend David Gill, who was there in 2001 or 1999 in CDIFI. Gino Sejo, you have to apologize for all of your mistakes. You're a teacher, you're married. You have to apologize. I demand Best Pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, and Gina Sejo apologize to us. When both of you have made a mistake, there is no inclusion. Look at me, Best Pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo. Do I make enemies to those people? No. May I learn how to be kind to other people, Best Pill. Arnel Guerrero Castillo. I show kindness to everyone. Oh, I show kindness to Ma'am Jessa Fernandez and Sir Calvin Cuevas. Oh, I apologize to Ma'am Jessa Fernandez that I judge her. Oh, after I apologize to Teacher May Tiburcio. Oh, that I judge. Oh, that is your consequence, Best Pill. Arnel Guerrero Castillo. And do not call me abnormal. Abnormal, that's an insult, Best Pill. Arnel Guerrero Castillo. Oh. And that you're making a joke of rape. It's an act of lasciviousness, Best Pill. Arnel Guerrero Castillo. You know, Best Pill, if you're watching in this in my blog, um, um, do not blame me or do not blame Sir William Ducut that you call him a Down syndrome and you call him I don't know what you're talking about, Bespil. Arnel Guerrero Castillo. Do not drag my friend Sir William Ducut. Sir William Ducut there was my friend. He's my good friend. Oh, you know, Bespil, Arnel Guerrero Castillo. I talked to Sir William Ducut during pandemic. We befriends each other. Oh, I watched a video of Sir William Ducut that he's a talented singer or dancer or because he has his own talent. Oh, you Best Pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, your talent is fake news. You're making nonsense. You're making an unviable joke. Like I said to you, Best Pill, I will say to you in Filipino, kailan ka ba titigil, Best Pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo? You have to stop with your nonsense, Best Pill. However, if you damage my name, if you damage anyone, you know, Best Pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, that's not acting normal. Oh, look at Sir William Ducut. When he acts himself normal, his YouTube blog is dancing. Oh, dancing, singing, song composer. Oh, that was his own talent. I mean, my blog, I'm not making enemies. Oh, my blog anyway, I make greetings. Oh, I make my blog also. I learn about politics. Oh, politics, greetings, or etc. I'm not making enemies, Best Pill. Arnel Guerrero Castillo, you know, Best Pill. You need to stop this accusations and do not blame Diwata and don't call him GAGO. Best Pill, the word Filipino, call it gago. That's a word. That is a bad word, Best Pill. Arnel Guerrero Castillo. Me, I never say GAGO to Joel Ferrer. Oh, I apologize to Tito Joel, the uncle of David Gill. I say to him, Tito Joel, I apologize to you, dude. Sir, I know what is my consequence, and I should never call you a GAGO. That's a bad word. Oh, do not say bad word, Best Pill. Arnel Guerrero Castillo, do not say GAGO. Do not call PI. You will be like Rodelio Daguman if I were you. Do not say bad words. For me, for best pill anyway, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, you should bring back the good manner and right conduct. Oh, good manners. Oh, whether in your high school you never learn about good manners and right conduct, I say to best pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo. During the time in CDIFI, I show my good manner and right conduct. Oh, good manners. Oh, if you ask Diana Esguera, oh, in Salt Sea, oh, in her school, they have good manners and right conduct. Oh, even the school of J. Rick Silva, it has a good manner and right conduct. Even the school of Giardino has a good manner and right conduct. Best pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo and Jean Hasejo, please do not disturb other people who were busy. Even all of us are busy, especially Teacher JD, oh, she's busy. Even Gio Malana was in United States, is also busy. Me, I was busy, oh, for playing PS4. Everyone are busy. Even Shania Kiana is also busy in fourth quarter exam in ILCC. Oh, she's busy. Even Patrick Quezon is also busy. Manuel Luis Antonio is busy. Oh, even Teacher May Tiburcio, she's busy with her nephew Rafael. Oh, and Isabella, her niece, busy. Even Teacher Marisa, busy. Oh, everyone are busy. Even Lorraine Shook is busy. Oh, even Nguyen Pongkan, oh, she's busy. Oh, even the girlfriend of Teacher Vince, oh, Aisay Bancula, busy. Oh, Rita Siri, the Miss Earth 2023, she's busy also. We're all busy. Best Pill Arnel Castillo and and Gina Sejo. We're all busy because do not disturb us with your with all of your stupidity. Best Pill Arnel Guerrero Castillo and Gina Sejo. If you don't stop bothering us, I will put both of you in my enemy list. That together that I move on from Rodelio Daguman, Anthony Solares, Jeffrey Beltran, Anya Santos Dumalaog, Ivy Montalayola. Oh, do you want to be like them? Best Pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, and Gina Sejo. Do not disturb us. People there are busy. Oh, Luis Cabales is busy. Oh, he's busy in works. Oh, Mina Suchoy is busy. Oh, she's also busy while she's in South Korea. Oh, Gio Malana is busy while he's in United States. He was focusing teachings. Oh, that was a teacher of Juanes. Angelo Mulalan Impact. My friend Juanes. We're all busy, Best Pill. Do not disturb us. Even you, Gina Sejo, do not disturb us. Both of you, Best Pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, and Gina Sejo, do not disturb us through chats or in Facebook. In the through chats, call it Messenger. Or do not disturb us. If both of you try to disturb Stefan Pimentel, Stefan Pimentel is busy. We're all busy. Do not disturb us. During the time when I did it to Rapa Soko, oh, I disturb him, oh, he's busy, oh, we're all busy. Do not disturb. And change yourself, best pill. Arnel Guerrero Castillo. Be matured. Do not act immatured. Oh, look at Carlo Orencia. He was immature. Oh, when Jardino said to me, we hope so. We will teach Carlo a good manner and right conduct. Oh, let's bring back the good manner and right conduct. So for me, best pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, and Jean Asedio, do not disturb us. If both of you disturb Paula Nunez, she can sue against both of you. Oh, for best pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo and Jean Asedio, do not disturb. Do not disturb Lawrence, both of you. Lawrence Villawan, do not disturb. We're all busy. I say to best pill, Arnel Guerrero Castillo and Gina Sejo, do not disturb us.